Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I already have my foundation, concealer, and powder on, and I'm gonna start this video off by doing my brows. And I'm taking the ColourPop's Brow Boss in dark brown. And I really do not like doing my brows because they take forever. And I try my best to make them look at least decent. But hey, I'm getting there. Some days you got good brows, some days you got bad brows. But that's what concealer is for, to fix them up. So I'm gonna take some LA Girl concealer to clean them up. Like right there, that brow act like it don't want to cooperate. But it's okay. It's okay. Got a lot of practicing to do. So now I'm going to take the modern Renaissance palette and take the shade Burnt Orange and put that in my crease as my transition shade. So now I'm going to take the shade Love Letter. It kind of took me a minute there though. And I'm going to also put that in the crease, but try to focus it more on the outer and inner corner and slowly bring it into the crease. So now I'm going to take Venetian Red, I hope that's how you pronounce it, and also put that where I had put Love Letter. And then I'm going to blend it out with a different fluffier brush. But I want this look to look kind of more messy because this is an anti-Valentine Day look, so it gotta be looking more grudgy or like more like, you know, angry or upset, I guess. I don't know. I'm just talking. But yeah, just blend those both out. So I'm going into the Morphe 39A palette and taking that black shade. It's called Muse. And this is the first time I'm ever using black that I recall. So I'm trying to be more careful in using it because I don't know how to use it. And I don't know what in the right mind made me use it or told me to use it. But okay. So I'm going to go in the shade Vermeer and Primavera. I'm going to mix those two together and put that on the lid. And then just blend it out. So I'm taking the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and putting it on the top lashes. And then for the bottom lashes, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara. And I'm taking, for contour, I'm taking the ABH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray palette, the shade Mocha. If you already don't know, it's Mocha Loca. And so for highlight, I'm taking the J-Cat You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter in Twilight. I'm trying to be very careful and not like apply a lot at the on the first swipe, so that's why I keep going back and forth and trying to apply little by little. If you hear the sirens, it's the police. And so I'm taking that same highlighter and putting it on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and also on my Cupid's bow. I don't think I did that in the last video. But for lips, I'm taking the ColourPop's Ultra Matte Lip in Fragile Things. I still need to learn how to put liquid lipsticks on. Put on liquid lipsticks. Well, any other lipsticks in general, but hey, I got practice makes perfect, right? And that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me doing this Anti-Valentine's Day makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!